way. Older furnaces become less efficient over time, working harder to heat your home. A high-efficiency furnace with an AFUE rating of 90% or higher can significantly reduce your energy costs compared to an outdated model. Tip: compare your recent utility bills to the same time last year. If your costs have risen without extreme weather changes, your furnace may be the culprit. 2. Frequent repairs add up. If you're constantly calling an HVAC technician to fix your furnace, those repair bills can add up quickly. While routine maintenance is essential, an older furnace that requires frequent fixes may be more expensive to maintain than replacing it with a new, energy-efficient unit. Rule of thumb: if repair costs are more than 50% of the price of a new furnace, it's time to consider a replacement. 3. Uneven heating throughout your home. Do you have rooms that always feel colder than others? An aging furnace may struggle to distribute heat evenly, leaving some areas of your home too cold while others are too warm. This inefficiency not only affects comfort but also forces your furnace to work harder, increasing energy usage. What to do? Check for inconsistent temperatures throughout your home. If certain rooms are significantly colder, your furnace may be failing. 4. Your furnace runs constantly. A furnace that runs non-stop or cycles on and off too frequently may be struggling to maintain the set temperature. This overworking leads to excessive wear and tear, reducing the furnace's lifespan while increasing energy costs. Potential causes: aging components, failing blower motor, clogged air filters, inaccurate thermostat readings. 5. Strange noises or smells. Unusual sounds like banging, rattling, or screeching often signal internal issues, such as loose components, failing motors, or cracked heat exchangers. Additionally, strange smells, especially a burning or musty odor, could indicate overheating, dust buildup, or even mold growth in your furnace system. When to be concerned: a metallic or electrical burning smell, persistent rattling or banging noises, musty odors from air vents. 6. Your furnace is more than 15 years old. Most furnaces last between 15 to 20 years. But as they age, their efficiency declines. If your furnace is over 15 years old and showing signs of wear, upgrading to a modern, high-efficiency unit can save you money on repairs and energy bills. Check the age. Look for the manufacturer's label on your furnace or check your owner's manual to determine its age. 7. Poor indoor air quality. Old furnaces can contribute to poor indoor air quality by circulating dust, allergens, and mold spores throughout your home. If you or your family members are experiencing increased allergy symptoms, dry air, or excessive dust buildup, your furnace may be the cause. Solution: consider upgrading to a furnace with a built-in air filtration system or pairing it with a whole home air purifier for better air quality. When to replace your furnace? If you're experiencing multiple issues listed above, it may be time for a furnace replacement. Investing in a new, energy-efficient furnace can